Hello everybody, my name is Miriam. Welcome to my class. We're going to start off with a warm-up, getting ourselves ready and safe for dancing, and then we've got an energetic, funky sunshine dance routine to learn. Have fun! Great, so we're going to start with some lovely stretching, and whilst we're stretching we're going to be making sure that we've got enough room for us to do our dancing. So let's start with a big yawn. Good, and another one. Good, and we can keep our arms up towards the ceiling and we're going to reach up. Imagining there's something yummy up there. We can bend our knees, reaching up. Good. Now we're going to reach towards the side. And as we do that, let's just check that we have enough space for us to really stretch our arms out. If you're a bit too close to a wall or something else, maybe move a little bit so you've got more room. Okay, we're going to take a slow turn around in a circle with our arms outstretched. Go both ways. Have you got enough room in front of you, to the side, at the back, the other side? I hope so. Let's reach our arms up towards the ceiling. We're going to melt down for 8, a bit like you're an ice cream on a hot sunny day. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're all melted. Let's come onto our hands and feet. Your challenge is to walk around the floor without putting your knees down. So you can walk forwards, you can walk backwards, you could walk sideways. And while we're doing this, we can be checking the floor, making sure there is nothing that we are going to trip on or slip on. If we haven't already, we can take our socks off so that we don't slip with those on. Good, and let's come back with our feet on the floor and we're going to melt all the way back up again. All the way up. Reaching our arms up towards the ceiling and dropping them. And have a little shake. Well done everybody. Brilliant. We are going to do a shapes warm up now. So we're going to be dancing anywhere we like to. Then you're going to be listening out because I'm going to call out a shape. So I might call out wide shape and you're going to find a wide shape. So we've got lots of different wide shapes that we can make. We could do it standing up, we could do it on a medium level, we could do it sitting down, lying down, any sort of wide shape. You're going to hold it for 3 and then we're going to carry on dancing and you're going to be listening out for what shape I might ask for you to do next. Brilliant. We are going to do a shapes warm up now. And we're going to be dancing any way we like. Then we're going to be listening out because I'm going to call out a shape. So I might call out wide shape and you're going to find a wide shape. So you can do it standing up. You might want to do it on a medium level. You can find a wide shape sitting down or lying down. Any sort of wide shape, doesn't have to be the same as mine. We'll hold it for 3, hold it really still, and then we'll carry on dancing, listening out to see what shape I'm going to ask you for next. Are you ready? Great, let's get dancing. Let's start off with our wide shape then, finding any sort of wide shape. Good, let's hold it for 3. 1, 2, 3, and jump out of it. Fantastic. Let's carry on dancing. Can you find me a different sort of wide shape? So maybe finding something low down if you're high before. Good, and holding it for 3. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Carrying on dancing. find me a circle shape. So you can make a circle with your fingers, with your legs, with your arms. Good, let's hold it for 3. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant, and dancing again. Can you make a really long shape? So it could be long and tall, long and flat. Let's hold it for 3. 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. Good. Can you find me a triangle shape? Finding a triangle. Oh, I can try a triangle with my legs and my arms. Ready, holding it for 3. 1, 2, 3. Down. Finding a balance shape to finish. Finding a balance. Well done everybody. Brilliant. I am going to teach you a dance now that's all about when it is nice and sunny outside. Hopefully it is sunny outside, but otherwise we'll just have to use our imagination and remember what it feels like. So we're going to start imagining that we are waking up. So we're going to have a big yawn and a stretch. Good. Then we're going to jump out of bed. So we jump forwards. And we're going to open the curtains to have a look at what the weather's like. We're going to have a look right. And we're going to have a look left. And we can see that it's sunny. And we're going to show that it's sunny by doing a big circle over our head with our arms. Good. From here, we know it's sunny and we know we want to go outside, so we've got to get ready and put our clothes on. So we're going to put our shorts on, we're going to put our t-shirt on, we're going to put our hat on, we put our sunglasses on and we wiggle our fingers out. Let's do all of that with some music. Good, so we're having a nice stretch and yawn. I'm ready to jump out of bed, jumping forwards, good. Opening the curtains, looking right, looking left, and showing the sunshine. Good, we're going to put our shorts on, our t-shirts, our hats, our sunglasses, and wiggle out. Fantastic. Brilliant. Let's carry on. From here, we're imagining we've got all our things on that we need and we are going to go out of the house into the sunshine. And we're going to go towards the right first. And we're going to step, we're going to do 2 big steps forwards towards that right side. We're going to bend down and we're going to do a big jump up towards the ceiling. So we go 1, 2, bend down and jump up. From here, we're going to wiggle back. So we're walking backwards, just making sure we're not going to bump into anything. We've got nice wiggly arms. Then we're going to come and face the front again. And we are going to walk forwards, coming forwards, reaching our arms up towards the ceiling. And then we'll run backwards again with tiny little steps because you probably don't have a lot of room. So we come forwards and backwards. And we're imagining that we've arrived at a swimming pool. So we're bringing our arms up, ready to do a dive down. Brilliant. Let's finish it off. So we are reaching up and we are going to dive forward. We're going to put our hands down onto the floor and come down onto our knees. From here, we're just going to do some swimming. So you could swim forwards, you could swim backwards, you could do some breaststroke. You could imagine you're holding your nose and wiggling your hand down. Anything, any type of swimming that you want to do here. Let's try from the beginning with music. Can you remember how it starts? right. We start standing up and we're going to do our yawning and stretching. Good, big yawns, and stretching. Ready to jump forwards? We jump out of bed. We open our curtains, look right, left, and show the sunshine. Good, let's put our shorts on, our t-shirts, our hats, our sunglasses, and wiggle out. Give a step towards the right and jump. We're going to wiggle backwards. Good, let's walk forwards and back. We're reaching up, ready to dive. Ready and jump. Good, onto our knees. Any sort of swimming you want to do. Well done. Brilliant, Diane. Let's try. Let us go over one little tricky bit. So, we've got out of our bed, we've put our clothes on, and we're going to jump and we face the right. So we face this way and we're going to do 2 steps to the side. We go 1, 2, then we come down and we do a big jump. Okay, so we've put our shorts on, we put our t-shirt on, we put our hat on, our sunglasses, we wiggle away, and then we're going to turn and face the side. We're going to step 1, 2, we're going to go down and do a big jump up. Good, then we're going to wiggle backwards, making sure we're not going to bump into anything. Then we come forwards and back. We get ready to dive. So we've got a little weight here. If you want to, you can try and have a balance. You could come up on your tiptoes. That's it, before we dive down. Let's try it one more time with music, okay? Good, we're having a nice stretch and a yawn. Good, and we're ready to jump out of bed. Jumping, good. Opening our curtains, looking right and left. And we show the sunshine. Let's put our shorts on, our t-shirts, our hats, our sunglasses, and wiggle away. We go to the right. Forwards, down, jump. Good, and wiggling back. Let's go forwards, little steps, and back, little steps. Reaching out, ready to dive, up on our tiptoes, and dive forwards onto our knees. Any sort of swimming you want to do now. Good. Beautiful dancing, everybody. I hope you enjoyed your sunshine dance. It's nearly the end of our class now, and we've just got to do our cool down to get our bodies and our minds ready to carry on with our day. So let's go and find a space where we've got lots of room to stretch out our arms and legs. Good. Can you make yourself really small? Small as a mouse. Good. And can you make yourself really wide? We're standing up for our wide shape, stretching our arms and legs out towards the side. Not so much that you're in a split though. Good. And let's get really small again. Even smaller than before. Good. And now we're going to grow really tall. Can you stretch your arms up towards the ceiling? We could even come up on our tiptoes. Good, and now the sunshine's gone and it is raining, and we're going to rain our fingers down. We can rain on our head, on our shoulders, all the way down the front of our body, down our tummies, our legs, our knees, down onto our feet, so hopefully they're not too ticklish, and down onto the floor. Let's come and kneel down and listen to the rain. Can you hear the really soft rain? Let's see if we can make it get a bit heavier. It is getting heavier and heavier. And stop. Good. Let's come and sit down on our bottom so we can stretch our legs out in a sitting down wide shape. Good. And let's rain on our head again. On our shoulders. On our tummies. On our knees. All the way down to our toes. And let's go back up again. Onto our knees, onto our tummies, onto our shoulders and onto our heads. Kids, and let's have a big yawn. Oh, we're going to brush the rain away. Rosie, we're going to brush it off our legs. Brush. Brush. Let's brush it off our tummies. Brush. Brush it off our arms. Brush. Brush it off our heads. And brush it off everywhere. Lovely. Let's find a nice small shape lying down on our sides. Squeezing all our muscles really tight. Good. And now let's lie on our backs in a nice wide shape. It's really comfortable. Good. And your challenge now is to see how still and how quiet you can lie for 10. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Let's see if we can wake ourselves up a bit now. So let's wiggle our fingers and wiggle our toes. Let's have a big yawn. Oh, good. And rolling onto your side and slowly coming up to sitting. Let's have a big yawn here as well. Well done, everybody. That's the end of our class. Let's give ourselves a big clap.